Hey guys, this is Rajesh. Welcome to my channel Vowel Studio. Today I'm gonna show you the best free screen recorder with no watermark. I personally use this software to record my videos. So watch the video till end. Now let's get started. After opening the link in description, you find a screen like this. You can see that it's a free online screen recorder. That means no download required. You can directly use it by opening in a browser. But a small extension will be downloaded which is used to start the recording on your PC. Now click on start recording. After clicking that, it will ask for the required permissions. Give the required permissions, then you can see a frame which is opened here. You can see the frame, you can move it as you want. You can also select the region if you want. By moving the edges, we can select the screen based on your requirement and we place it anywhere in the screen. Now this is a toolbar where we can change and modify the settings. If you click on the red button, then the recording will start. Here you can choose the region. I mean, it may be a full screen 720p or 480p, whatever you want. You can also go for the custom size and select on your requirements. The next option you can see on the toolbar is system and mic. Here we can choose the sound that to be recorded. It may be a system sound or microphone, or you can select the both if you want to record both the system sound and microphone. And coming to the next option, you can find a webcam. I mean, this is very useful for the YouTubers because it helps us to interact with the audience. You can turn on it or you can place it anywhere on the screen. It is very useful feature in this. The next option in the toolbar is account. Don't go for the account settings because it is asking for the pro version where you need to purchase. So just leave it and go to the more. Click on settings. Here you can find general and recording. In general, we can choose the keyboard shortcuts which are very useful while recording a video, and you can also choose the shortcuts based on your requirement. Here you can select the location where you need to store your videos. I mean the recorded videos. You can also select any of your folder. Then coming to recording, you can see there are three options: basic, advanced and video settings. In basic, you can see before starting the recording you will having a countdown like 1, 2, 3 and beep on start recording. When it starts a recording, there will be a sound which helps you to make a video perfectly. Show recording boundary, I mean these edges. Show recording toolbar, I mean while recording a video, if you want to view the toolbar to the audience, you can view it or you can hide the option. Include cursor in capture. Here you can also select the video format which you want. There are MP4, WMV, AVI, etc. And coming to advanced, for advanced and video settings, I will show which settings I personally use because many people are asking how to create a videos like yours. So I will show my settings. In advanced, click on show hotspot. While moving a cursor, an yellow spot will be displayed on the screen which you are seeing right now. And click audio quality as high. The audio is very important in a video. And coming to video settings, go for bitrate and choose 15,000 and frame rate as 30 because these are the basic settings. Like you will get a good quality video by using these, and this is the same as default. And coming to the mode, go for quality. The quality is very important coming to performance, so save these settings. Now you can start the recording. I hope everyone likes the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel Vowel Studio. Thank you.